Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I have the TRM Neutron here with me for a quick review. Please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying my kind of content. So what do we have here? It's the TRM Three Rivers manufacturing at Neutron, made in the US of A. It's gonna be around $200, something like that. 20 CV steel, nice thumb stud action. This is the blue carbon fiber. It's a liner lock, 3 standoffs, very simple construction going on. Super slim, super light, super slicey. Nice blade shape. Basically, I would say like 40% belly and rest is straight edge. Look at the laser thin edge. Like, this is ridiculous as a like slicer. It's gonna fit great in the pocket. You're not gonna feel it. Action is super snappy. Would you look at the speed this guy deploys? Really cool. You've got the option of putting these rubber O-rings around the thumb studs. Super slicey. How thin this guy is. This is incredible. It feels good in the hand. It sounds good. It's super light, guys. This is really light. And the size, by the way, is 7.7 inches overall length with a 3-inch long blade and a 4-inch long handle. So very compact, very slim, very light, very slicey. It's nicely built. There's no blade plate. It feels not that solid. There's a little bit of flex because of the nature of the this guy. It's nicely done. It's not that sturdy. I mean, this is not meant to do any hardcore task. Nice flat grind. You've got, in this case, this Benchmade pocket clip. This is not the original one. Flush hardware, made in the US of A. It's a pretty cool and neat one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.